Good morning, students. Today I would like to explain about the nomenclature of the benzene. So here the common names nomenclature the benzene can be given by two methods. One is common names or otherwise IUPAC system. So here the common names for this one is normally this is the benzene ring and this is the substituents. Benzene and substituents. One of the hydrogen atom is actually the carbon contains 6 hydrogens and one of the hydrogen is replaced by the iodine and these are the substituent groups. All are substituent groups. So anyway, the name of this compound is chlorobenzene. This one is chlorobenzene, and the name of the substituent we are placing the prefix. This one is bromo. Bromo is the prefix bromo, and it is end with the benzene. Bromobenzene. And otherwise, next one is iodobenzene. So the prefix contains name of the substituent. Chloro is the substituent and followed by the benzene ring. The substituent groups are named as a prefix. After that, they are end with the suffix is with benzene. So here this one is methylbenzene. This one is substituent group methylbenzene. But here methylbenzene, its common name is toluene. T-O-L-U-E-N-E. It's a toluene. The common name for this one is toluene. And here it is a dimethyl, or for example, the numbering 1, 2, 3. The topmost carbon is getting the first priority. And here this is the substituent, two substituent, the same substituent groups. The name of this one is common name for this one is xylene. And here this is the xylene. All are xylene only, but this one is ortho position, and this one is para-xylene, and this one is meta-xylene, and this one is para-xylene. Positions of this one, numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering is, we are starting this carbon, we are giving the numbering for this carbon is 1, and in case of positions, this is the para position, ortho position, and meta position. Again, this one is para, and this one is meta. This one is para, meta, and ortho positions. These are the positions of various positions on benzene, and this is the numbering. Anyway, this is the common name for this one is xylene. Otherwise, we can also write as this one is 2-methyl-toluene. 2-methyl. At the second position, we have the substituent group. This one is 2-methyl-toluene. And this one is 3-methyl-toluene, 4-methyl-toluene. The substituent group must contain least number. This criteria we know here. The substituent group always get a least numbering. Otherwise, you should not give the numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because the substituent group is getting 6th number. That's why always the substituent group must get a least number. Anyway, these are the xylene is the common name. If the molecule benzene contains only one methyl group, that is a toluene. If it contains 2 methyl groups, this is the xylene. And based on the position, we are write as ortho, meta, and para positions. And this one is benzene carboxylic acid. Otherwise, the common name for this one is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Common name for this one is benzoic acid. Otherwise, benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid is the IUPAC name, because this one is a carboxylic acid group, this one is benzene. So benzene carboxylic acid. Here it is a sulfonic acid. The common name for this one is sulfonic acid. Common name for this one is sulfonic acid, SO3H group. And this one is the common name for this molecule is toluene. This is aniline. The common name for this one is aniline. And this one, the common name for this one is phenol. In case of the IUPAC system, IUPAC name for this one is hydroxybenzene. Otherwise, this one is aminobenzene. These are the common names. Aniline is the common name for this one. Phenol is the common name. If you write this molecule, if you want to write the IUPAC name for this molecule, hydroxybenzene, because this is a hydroxyl group. Hydroxybenzene. This one is aminobenzene. This one is amino group. This one is benzene. That is the IUPAC system. Aminobenzene, hydroxybenzene. In case of IUPAC system, Anyway, now see substituent positions. This one is the name of this compound is nitrobenzene, but the position of the NO2 group is at para position, para-nitrobenzene. This is the position, para position, right? Para position. And this one is orthobromobenzene. This one is ortho position. This is the bromo group. This one O is representing ortho, P representing para, and this one is M, small m. This one is meta-bromobenzene. These are the positions on benzene. And this one is para position, right? Para-iodbromobenzene. Para-iodbromobenzene. This one is the bromobenzene, right? And this one is the para position, contains the iodine. Para-iodbromobenzene. This one is metanitro. This molecule is toluene molecule, right? This one is toluene, explained here, toluene. And this one is meta. The nitro group present at the meta position. That's why metanitro-toluene. Okay, and this one is orthoiodoaniline. The common name for this molecule is aniline. This one is aniline, right? And in the ortho position we contain iodo group. Orthoiodoaniline. And now otherwise we can also write this one is, if you give the numbering 1 iodo, so this one, if you give the numbering, otherwise we can also write like that: 2 iodo, 1 amino, 2 iodo benzene. If you write the nomenclature according to IUPAC, we can also write 1 amino, 2 iodo. At the second position we have the iodo group. 1 amino, 2 iodo, because we are following the alphabet. A first letter and iodine. 1 amino, 2 iodo. The name of the compound is benzene. 1 amino, 2 iodo benzene. And next one, this one is when more substituent groups are attached. So at this position, meta-nitro-toluene, right? Meta-nitro-toluene. Otherwise, 2-nitro-toluene or meta-nitro-toluene. According to our IUPAC, if you give the numbering, at the second position we have the nitro group, 2-nitro-toluene. Yes or no? Otherwise, you can also write 1-methyl-nitrobenzene. If you consider like that, it is the nitrogen, right? NO2 group, nitrobenzene. And if you consider methyl as a substituent, in case methyl as a substituent, if you consider the methyl as a substituent, this one is a nitrobenzene and the substituent group methyl. So that's why 1-methyl-nitrobenzene. Otherwise, if you consider NO2 as a substituent, 2-nitro-toluene. If NO2 is a substituent, 2-nitro-toluene. If methyl is a substituent, 1-methyl-nitrobenzene. So like that, we can write the name. Either this one is substituent or this one is substituent. This depends on our structure. So anyway, here 4-nitrophenol. 4-nitro. If you give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4-nitrophenol. And here, because it is a nitro group, right, at fourth position position we have the nitrogen 4 nitro. This one total molecule is phenol. And next one is otherwise we can also write the position now here metanitro. What is the name of this compound? Benzoic acid. Metanitro benzoic acid. Otherwise 3 nitro benzoic acid. If you give the numbering according to position, if you give the name of the compound according to the position, it is a metanitro benzoic acid. If you give the nomenclature according to the numbering, 3 nitro benzoic acid. Otherwise 3 nitro benzoic acid. 3 nitro benzoic acid. Because NO2 is a substrate group. This is the main compound, and one of the hydrogen atom of this compound is replaced by the NO2. So that's why it is a substituent now. This is the major compound. Benzoic acid is the major compound, and one of the hydrogen atom of the benzoic acid is substituted by the NO2 group. So that's why NO2 is written as a substituent. Metanitro benzoic acid or otherwise 3 nitro benzoic acid. Now let us see, this one is 2-bromo dibromo benzene. So otherwise 2-bromo bromobenzene, dibromobenzene or 2-bromo bromobenzene or otherwise 1,2 bromobenzene, 1,2 dibromobenzene, 1,2 dibromobenzene. At one position, 1,4 dibromobenzene. According to the numbering system, in accordance with the numbering, and first position and fourth position we have the bromine, and both are same groups. That's why 1,4 dibromobenzene. In this case, this one 1,2,4 tribromobenzene. 1,2 tribromobenzene. We should not give the numbering in the anti-clockwise direction, because substituents are getting a higher number. If you give the anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, of course this substituent is getting a fourth position in any way, either clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. This bromine is getting the fourth position. But what about this bromine? This bromine is getting sixth position. If you give the numbering in anti-clockwise direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th position, and this is we have the criteria. The substituent groups must get the least number 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4 tribromobenzene. If you give the numbering in the anti-clockwise direction 1, 4, 6 tribromobenzene, that is not correct. Anyway, now see here we have the 2 chlorine atom. If you give the numbering after 2 position, this is the main group, this is the main molecule. Main compound is aniline, and aniline has 2 substituents. The 2 substituents are chlorine. 2, 6 di 2,6 dichloroaniline. 2,6 dichloroaniline. This is the major compound. Aniline is the major compound. In the aniline we have 2 substituents. 2 hydrogen atoms are substituted by the 2 chlorine atoms, and the name of the compound is 2,6 dichloroaniline. Now see this compound. If you give the numbering to this, in case the benzene has more substituent groups in any compound, in the nomenclature of any compound, if more substituent groups are present on the compound, more substituent groups are attached, we should give the number. Then only the substituent groups, where the substituent groups are present in the molecule, can be identified easily. In this case, at first position and second position we have, this is the major compound. This is the major compound. Phenol is the major compound, and here these are the substituent groups. Second, 2-bromo, 4-nitro, 2-bromo, 4-nitro phenol. 2-bromophenol. This is the name of this compound. And what about this one? This is the toluene, right? This is the toluene. If the benzene contains 1 methyl group, that is toluene. If benzene contains 2 methyl group, that is xylene. So anyway, we have the 2 nitro compounds at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you give in a anti-clockwise direction also, of course it is getting same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, 3 and 5 same. If you give the number in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, these NO2 groups are getting same number. Anyway, the substituent groups we can write 3, 5 dinitro, 3, 5 dinitro toluene, or otherwise meta dinitro toluene according to position. Meta dinitro meta these two are meta positions, right? Meta dinitro, this molecule, name of this molecule is toluene. That's why meta dinitro toluene. Meta dinitro, this is the meta position. Dinitro toluene. Now this one is the next compound. This compound contains four substituents. So according to nomenclature, we have the substituents at 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4, 6. We have the same substituent, right? We have same substituent, that is bromine. 2, 4, 6 tribromo. Tri means 3 bromines. We have 3 bromines. Tribromo. The name of this compound is aniline. This is the major compound. To this major compound, we have 3 substituent groups. 3 hydrogen atoms are substituted by the bromines. So that's why here at the second position, fourth position, sixth position we have the bromines. So 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. So like that we can use the nomenclature of different compounds in benzene, different position, according to position, according to numbering system, and according to common nomenclature. According to IUPAC, we have according to IUPAC system, we can give the nomenclature of the compound based on the position, and if more substituent groups are attached on the benzene, we should write the nomenclature based on the numbering system. We should mention the position of the substituent on the benzene if more substituent groups are attached. Anyway, so in this case we have the total 3 substituents and this one functional group. This molecule benzene has 4 substituents. Anyway, so that's why we have written 2, 4, 6 tribromo aniline. Of course, the name aniline means benzene contains amine ring. We should not give no need to give numbering to the amino group. No need to give numbering to the amino group. Default, the amine group is getting first number. Even though we are not representing the position of the NH group, it is default, it is getting the first number. So that's why we are not mentioning the major functional group. So in this case also, for example, here also 4-nitrophenol, or otherwise 4-nitrophenol, or otherwise 4-nitrohydroxybenzene. 4-nitrohydroxybenzene. We can write the name of this compound like that. So like that we are getting the nomenclature. And next one, we have some more related compounds to the benzene. The name of this functional group is benzyl functional group. For example, if this one is benzyl, right? If you place OH group, that is benzyl alcohol. Otherwise, if you place the chlorine, benzyl chloride. This one is benzyl chloride. We can see the one example for the one drug which contains the benzyl group is benzyl penicillin. For example, the structure of the compound is this one. This is the benzyl penicillin. This is the penicillin functional group, and here we have the benzyl. That is benzyl functional group. Benzene plus CH2. This is the benzyl penicillin. The structure of the benzyl penicillin is this one. The functional group here is benzyl. That is, this one is benzyl. Benzyl chloride, benzyl alcohol, or benzyl benzoate. Benzoate also we can write. So all these compounds are coming under. If you observe this type of structure in any molecule, the name of this compound is benzyl. Benzyl, benzoate, benzyl alcohol, benzyl chloride, benzyl penicillin. All the structures contain this. Benzene contains CH2. Benzene CH2, and this bond may attach to any of the other groups, other molecules. Anyway, this one is benzylidene. The benzene contains carbon, and this carbon contains only one hydrogen atom, and this is called as a benzylidene. Benzylidene diamino benzylidene, diamino benzoate. So like that we have the number of compounds. This compound may present like that also, like that. This functional group is benzylidene. Otherwise benzaldehyde. You know that is very well. Benzaldehyde means this one is the benzaldehyde. And benzene attached to the carbon atom. This carbon attached to one hydrogen atom. That is benzol or benzylidene. Benzylidene or benzol. So benzyl alcohol. Benzaldehyde, benzyl chlorine chloride, benzylidene benzoate. Like that we have the number of compounds. So either it will present like that, or otherwise it will be benzylidene diacetate. Benzylidene diacetate. OC double bond O. OC double bond OCH3, OC double bond OCH3. This one is benzylidene diacetate. Either we can write benzylidene or benzol. For example, benzol, that is benzaldehyde. C double bond OH. Otherwise, benzylidene diacetate. So this one is may present like that in the presence of double bond or